Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Binance, making problem solving simple and easy to follow. So let's get started step by step. First of all, open the Binance app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home screen. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Add Funds option. Tap on Add Funds to move forward. This is where you start the buying process. After clicking Add Funds, two options will appear. From these, tap on P2P trading. This method is commonly used and very convenient. Once you're on the P2P screen, tap on the Buy option. This allows you to purchase cryptocurrency directly. Now you're ready to select your crypto. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select BTC, Bitcoin. You can choose any other crypto as well, but for this example, we're selecting Bitcoin. This step decides which crypto you're buying. Now enter the amount you want to buy. For example, you can enter around 50,000 in your local currency. Adjust the amount according to your budget. After entering the amount, choose your payment method. Make sure to select a method that's convenient for you. Always double-check the payment details before proceeding. Once everything looks good, tap on the Pay button. Complete the payment as instructed on the screen. And that's it. Your crypto purchase is done. So this is how you buy cryptocurrency on Binance using P2P trading. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab for more easy tech tutorials. Also, drop a comment if you want a video on selling crypto or buying other coins. See you next time.